Hello, everyone. Michael Klein here. I'm here to talk about journal entry number 7 as it relates to continuing learning as a leader. So, some of my plans for continuing my education definitely based on the best practices of school leadership include continuing to grow my professional learning network, my PLN, through social media. Such as some of the people that I currently follow are Danny Steele, Hamish Brewer, Christopher Edmond, Dr. Steve Perry, and Principal Kafil. There's also many district personnel that I follow, district as far as Wake County personnel that I follow that have webcast seminars that we are able to participate in as well. Some other things that I plan on to utilize. So through the Wake ID portal, through Wake County Public School System, they offer us what's called NCWise OWL. So NCWise OWL, it's a database for professionals and students that we're able to go on to explore new and upcoming research as well as older research that has been submitted. So that's definitely another way that I plan on growing as a professional. And the last thing, I will definitely look for opportunities to attend different conferences such as the ASCD conference that I participated in this last past March in Chicago, different seminars around the state, different AP district meetings that are required through Wake County Public School System, and again through the use of NCWise out. I'm looking forward to hearing what you also have to suggest and offer. Have a great day.